This is the Analog Quantity Conversion Module PLC, Industrial Router, Motor, Encoder, Frequency Converter. Here are the circuit breaker, 24-volt power module, splitter, indicator light, and buzzer. Touchscreen. 0 to 10 volts DC meter. Analog input knob, power button, servo power button. Emergency stop switch. These are the input buttons and the emergency stop button. Alright, now we will power it on. Powering on now. Now turn on the circuit breaker. Wait for the 24-volt power supply and for the device to complete self-check.
Now run the touchscreen program.
Click the run button and the indicator light turns on. Click the forward rotation button and the indicator light turns on. Turn the input knob and the indicator light turns on. Now the motor is running at 40 Hz and the frequency and speed are displayed here. Click the reverse rotation button and the indicator light turns on. Run at 50 Hz. Click the stop button. The indicator light turns off and the motor stops.